Okay, so the aim of this tutorial is to learn how to solve linear inequalities. Now let us do a recap first in solving equation in one unknown. We are aware of how to solve equations in one unknown, and here is an example of the equations in one unknown. We are given this equation x negative x plus 8 equal to 15. Now how to solve? Okay, we have to take away 8 on both sides, left hand side and right hand side. This is our left hand side and this is our right hand side. So we take away 8. So we did this here. We took away 8. We have to do the same in the right hand side, because we said whatever you do in the right hand side, in the left hand side, should be also done in the left hand side, or whatever you do in the left hand side, you do to the right hand side. So by doing that, by doing that, we have negative x, because plus 8 minus 8 equal to 0, and that gives us negative x remains alone here. Negative x equal to 7, because 15 minus 8 is 7. Now we want our x to be positive. If we want this x here to be positive, what you do is we can either multiply by -1 or divide this by -1. So we can do one of the two. If you multiply by -1, this is going to be positive. This is what we saw when we were dealing with equation in one unknown. Now, excuse me. Or if you divide by -1, we are going to have positive x. So this is what we are going to do. Now we have -1 times negative x, because it was negative here, the way you see. So we are multiplying it by -1 to make it positive. Or we can as well have an alternative here, that we have negative x, we divide by -1, it will be the same as 7 divided by -1, and now this negative and negative will cross. We have positive x equal to, this will turn to be -7, just as you see here, the same. So you have that your x equal to -7. So we did this before, and now we have gone through once again. There is a meaning of doing this. Yeah, it is not just here for fun. Now we have a meaning of doing this recap. It is very important. Now let us change this linear equation to an inequality. Our equation was negative x plus 8 equal to 15. Now we change it to negative x plus 8 is either less, is greater than 15, or can as well say it is less than what? Than 15, but we chose this, so we will work on that. So negative x plus 8 is greater than 15. Now it is your turn. You have a task here. Task now. Use the same procedures as above. Above means procedures we use to solve this linear inequality. Use the same procedures to solve this inequality. We use the procedures here, to solve the linear equation. You use them to solve this linear inequality. I just want to see how you can undergo and what you are going to discover at the end. Mind you that learning is associated with some discoveries, and it's not good to be told everything. Now you have to discover something during your process of learning. So please go through, try to do this question, use the same procedures, and give your conclusion at the end. We will meet later and I will see whether you have discovered something or not. I wish you all the best while you are doing this. Okay, yeah, don't use more than 5 minutes. 5 minutes are very enough for this task. Have a good time.